Hi guys, nandito na ako sa Maypits. Waiting for Stell and Eric. Fan meet. There's the stage right here. Waiting for them.
Hi, Stell! Hi, Stell! Hello!
Nag-host ka ba?
Walang mag-host.
Ikaw mag-host mo? Sino mag-host? Dali na.
Bakit kinuha yung food nyo? Pwede na bang naipagano? Tinatagal ko sa kanila yung laki nila.
Good afternoon, all SVIP ticket holders and this impromptu. Eric and Stell, thank you so much for gracing us for today to lunch with us.
Sobrang tahimik ng mga tao.
tahimik.
Baka nang tahimik natin.
Hi everyone, thank you for coming for this meet and greet. We would like to ask Eric and Stell to say a few words first to everyone before we start this event, this photo op. We will do actually a photo op with everyone, but we will do it by tables na lang. Okay, we'll just call a table. Yes? Okay, thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Hi!
Hi!
Again, we would like to thank all of you for coming over. And last night was a blast talaga, no?
Sobra.
Talagang nag-enjoy po kami na mag-perform for all of you last night. And we also would like to thank our producer here, si Miss Amor, for bringing us here in LA. And sa inyong lahat na sinundan kami mula San Francisco hanggang Temecula to Canada hanggang dito. We really appreciate you guys. So, maraming salamat and I hope you're enjoying your lunch.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much everyone for coming today. I know it's a busy day for everyone, but you're here today and hope you enjoy the food. And yeah, thank you everyone, to all the producers, the promoters, even the drivers, everyone, and of course the fans na talaga sumusunod sa amin to watch the show. And of course, ni Kuya Eric, Star Media, maraming salamat po. And yes, today, sana po mag-enjoy po tayo sa meet and greet. We have a photo op with everyone. And by table po siya, so after niyo po batiin yung debutant, pwede na po kayo So ayun po, by table siya. Maraming salamat po kay Mayor. And of course, sa food po, maraming salamat. And yes, thank you so much, we love you. And sana po next time makasama ulit namin kayo for the next show. Thank you so much. We love you all. Have a great day. Thank you.
Balik kayo kagad ha.
Yeah.
Mamaya.
Mamaya talaga. Kagad.
We'll start
Ito, 4.
i-change na natin yung background.
Sige, change natin yung background.
Nakatulog kayo?
Eto, walang problema sa tulog.
Wala.
Kaya siya nakakatulog.
Kung 13 hours yung land travel natin, 13 hours din siya.
Yan na lang.
Oh my God.
That's a gift.
Yeah.
Kasi hirap mo minsan,
Hirap.
lalo na kung hindi mo travel.
Tulog sa land travel.
Yan ang
So 13 hours wala.
Sige po.
Mahirap mo.
You should try some tea or herbs.
Camel.
Wala talaga ito. Grabe.
Lahat, pati oil na.
Table number 1.
Lahat oil.
Yung wala atang 1, mag-start sa
Okay,
4.
table number 4. Sige po.